Welcome back to Lesson Plant Kitchen. I'm Grant and I cook plants. I'm an educator and a vegan, and today we're going to cook my grandmother's chocolate upside down cake. Preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit or 176 Celsius. Let's make it vegan with some basic substitutions. You'll need the following ingredients to make the icing. Add the 1/2 cup white sugar, the 1/2 cup brown sugar, the boiling water, and the 3 tablespoons cocoa powder into a bowl and stir them to combine. Pour the icing mixture into an 8x8 or 9x9 pan, and you'll be ready to start making the cake. Add 1 cup flour into a bowl, followed by 3/4 cup sugar. Drop in 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons baking powder. Substitute the milk for soy milk. Drop in the teaspoon of vanilla, and finally add in the substituted plant-based butter. Once combined, drop into the icing mixture and spread it out. It may not look so great, but I promise it does come together. Bake your upside down cake for 35 to 40 minutes depending upon your oven. Let your cake cool, and then flip it over and reveal the results. This recipe results in a gorgeous dark chocolate ganache. The final results are vegan and delicious, but not quite healthy, so let's make a change. To make the icing healthier, we're going to substitute out all of the sugar with stevia. Here I tried to add some depth of flavor in the icing. Put the coffee powder in the baking mix, not the icing. Gather your ingredients to make it healthier, and then begin when you're ready. Instead of 1 cup flour, we're going to combine 30 grams vital wheat gluten flour, 45 grams white flour, and 45 grams wheat flour. Once more, substitute out the sugar with stevia. This time we're substituting out the plant-based butter with unsweetened applesauce. While it still tasted delicious, this reveal is why you shouldn't put the instant coffee in the icing. But it's nothing a little vegan whipped cream can't fix. Notice how we have drastically reduced the sugar and increased the protein. Much healthier. To fix the icing issue from earlier, I do have a compromise. The result is a milk chocolate ganache that is gooey and delicious. You've got to give it a try. We do have an elevation in the sugar content, but I don't know about you. I'm not complaining. Thank you so much for watching. You can find the official recipe and nutrition on lessonplantkitchen.com and more recipes here on YouTube.